of freshwater mussels in the Wolf River. Okay, that's going to be the big one. That one is due, this lab report, this investigation is due Friday. Okay, it's due Friday. Why? So we can practice planning investigations, analyzing data, and using mathematics to conduct explanations, engage argument, and communicate information. Yeah, a lot of words there. Basically, we are planning our own investigation of a data set. All right? How will you know you're successful? When you can identify the traits of cephalopods, all right? And you will have completed the lab report that answers a question about freshwater mussels. All right? There we go. That's our GPS. Parker, question?
After spring break,
Yes.
will it be on Friday that we'll be dissecting the
I'm not sure yet.
starfish?
Not sure yet. Good question, but I don't know.
What does starfish look like?
What is
A
starfish?
star. Well, like, I know what they look like. I've seen pictures of them, but like, what do they look like in person?
Pretty much like what you think.
What do they feel like? Rough?
Spiny, pokey.
Spiny?
Yes.
They're little bigger than
Echinoderm means spiny. There you go. So there you have it. Yeah. Let's get into a quick review of cephalopods. So you're going to need your cephalopod notes. You guys get out your cephalopod notes, please. Cephalopod notes, please.
what?
Cephalopod notes that we did yesterday. My people online, those are in today's folder. So go to Tuesday again. And down here it says cephalopod notes. Right under cephalopod quiz.
The one in our notes?
Yep, cephalopod notes. Get these out.
Oh, what if I have that in my notebook?
Sure, get them both out or whatever. Sounds good to me.
It's a lot easier to do though.
Sure. Okay. Here we are looking at my PDF. I don't like how this, I don't like this. That's kind of annoying. I don't know. It's kind of annoying.
It's Alt F4.
There we go. All right, here we go. Cool. Cephalopods. What does cephalopod mean, Aiden? Head-footed. Very good. Cephalopoda means head-footed. All right. What can the eye of an octopus see, Cooper?
Shapes.
Shapes. There you go. Shapes. Let's see. What's the largest invertebrate? Ryan.
Isn't it like the colossal squid?
Yep, and the squid. So if you just put squid, you'll be good. How about, what do octopus tentacles or arms have on them, Zach? Yes. What do octopus tentacles have on them?
Suckers and
Yeah.
hooks.
Well, not necessarily hooks on the.
Well, some of them have hooks.
That's on the squid. Yes, very good. What's the most intelligent invertebrate, Parker?
The most intelligent vertebrate.
Invertebrate.
Is octopus.
Yeah, very good. What's one way that mollusks are useful, Sawyer?
Useful for food and jewelry.
Yeah, there you go. There's two ways. You nailed it. What is the mouth of the octopus? What do they use to tear apart their food?
Like the stereo.
Oh, sorry, I'm calling on Ryan here. Yep, beak. But also they have jaws and a radula in there. Okay, jaws and a radula.
Study.
I didn't hear you, bud. Sorry. What's one way that an octopus can defend itself, Ava? I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Yeah.
their tentacles. Or no, the ink. Sorry.
Yeah, yep. So they can use ink. What's another way they can defend themselves, Zach? Yes. Nope, not hooks. Get your notes. Get them out. Can't find them. Holy cow, man.
I know they're in there.
Yeah, I know they're in there. Get them. What's another way that an octopus can defend itself, Zach? Let's see.
Suffocating.
No. Look up here then if you can't find them. Defense, ink, and what else can they do?
Change.
Change color. Yep, very good. Where is the mouth located, Aiden Stone?
Between the tentacles.
Between the tentacles. Very good. Let's see. What waters do they live in? Octopus and squid. Carissa.
Saltwater.
Yep, they live in the ocean. Good. Why do scientists study squid? Why do scientists study squid, Emily? Or what for?
How the nerve messages are sent.
Yep, very good. They have a nice nervous system that's easy for us to study, large axons. And why do they study octopuses, Ryan?
I study it. Well, I don't know why.
Right here.
Study the site.
Yep, okay. Let me see, anything else that I want? Oh yeah, how do they move? What's one way they can move? Parker.
With their siphons.
Yep, and what do they call that?
Jet propulsion.
Very good. All right. I think that's a good enough review. Any questions from anybody online? Yeah, Parker.
You wanna buy Justin Bieber?
Do I want to buy just?
Oh, yeah.
No, thanks. I'm good.
He's
I'm
only
good.
a penny.
We Gusta, my friend.
I mean, I'll take him for free. How much does he cost?
A penny.
I don't even have a penny.
What?
You carry pennies?
I have $200.
All right. So what I'm going to do is
Or you gotta stop it.
point you in the direction. Cephalopod notes. I'm going to unpublish them. So hopefully you've studied. And then you online need to go to the Cephalopod quiz. We'll turn this in by 8:30, if not before then. Okay, so all your notes need to go away, everybody.
Oh, okay.
I have a picture of the notes.
You know, I'm gonna close my backpack so you know that I'm not cheating on front.
Can you just
Okay, now put it away.
Is this considered cheating? Is having Justin Bieber considered cheating? He has no notes on him. I'll show you
No.
back and everything.
You can know.
Okay.
It might cause you to do weird stuff.
He's invisible ink. Why, just by looking at him?
Yes.
I don't know.
Mommy used to like talk about Justin Bieber in the car.
What day is it for the second?
Yes, 2nd of March. All right, Cephalopod quiz. So you guys are gonna please complete the quiz using Cami. There is a word bank. You will not use all the words in the word bank. Okay, you will not use all of them.
Are there any questions that are there any are there any answers that are not in the word bank?
No, I don't believe so. I'll double check. Okay, here we go. So I'll go through it together. Yes, I understand this is hard to see. It's got cut off again. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 blanks. 13 questions, 15 blanks. So it'll be out of 15 points, everybody. 15. Anything else? When you guys are done, put it right in there.
You're just built different overall. You get all of them right.
Maybe. All right, number 1 is define cephalopoda. What does cephalopoda literally translate to? So go down here and tell me what it translates to. Remember cephalo and pod. Cephalo and pod. Number 2, you need to describe what the eyes of an octopus see. What can they see? Number 3, the largest invertebrate is the blank. If you have any questions, please just let me know. Number 4, the most complex and intelligent invertebrate is the what? Number 5, the tentacles have blank, which catch and hold prey. Or the octopus arms, as we talked about. All right, number 6, location of the mouth of the octopus is I almost gave away the answer. The location of the mouth of the octopus is blank. Sorry. Number 7, explain what the mouth uses to tear food apart. What things does it use to tear the food apart? Number 8, octopus and squid live in blank waters. What type of waters do they live in? Okay, number 9, a squid and octopus move rapidly by using what? Number 10, 2 means of defense for the octopus are blank and blank. What are 2 ways that it can defend itself or get out of a sticky situation? Number 11, 2 ways that mollusks are useful are blank and blank. 2 ways that mollusks are useful for humans. Number 12, scientists use the squid to study what? And number 13, scientists use the octopus to study what? I will help you finish this up here by telling you the ones that you will not use. If you guys think you used this and you want to change it, go ahead. But you won't use tips of tentacles. You won't use cancer. You won't use cause disease. You will not use stomach-footed. You will not use whale, or clothes, or cilia, or fresh, or hatchet-footed. You will not use teeth. Oops. Or light. Okay, so if you think you used some of those, that's incorrect. So again, you are not using tips of tentacles. You are not using cancer or cause disease or hooks. Oops, I forgot hooks. You won't use hooks. So in the first column over here, you will not use tips of tentacles, cancer, cause disease, or hooks. In the second column, you will not use stomach-footed. You will not use whale, clothes, cilia, fresh, or hatchet-footed. In the third column, you will not use light or teeth. Riley, I see that you have joined. When did you get here? Because I don't know how far you are on this.
Here,
What?
I think it was like 8.
like 8:06 or 7. I don't know.
Okay. I just want to. Do you know where the quiz is?
Yes.
Okay, that's how I just. Mm-hmm.
Class ended at 8:30 or 8:45?
8:47. All right. So you have until 8:30 to submit this. I don't know if it'll take you that long, but that's what you have. Don't you have? Oh, yeah.
It's like, you won't use the one.
No. We will use them all once. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there are 15 blanks. 15 phrases for 15 blanks, bud.
Oh. I thought the between. They're the same thing as the one at the bottom of it.
Oh, no. Between tentacles is its own thing. And how nerve messages are sent is its own thing.
That's how you parent. It's just right now. Not really. You're not supposed to use your phone. I don't use
About 5 minutes.
I've seen Aiden play before at the church. That's not all all.
Like fourth grade, I used to like play. I mean, like I have. Everybody.
My uncle made a deal that if we punted soccer ball, he would have to work with him and did it. We punted soccer ball. I remember it. It's literally in front of your
I
seat.
used to be, I used to be really good at like, even Kanye said that.
Kanye West.
I mean, I don't even know his last name, but he used to say that I used to be pretty good at.
Is it still goes?
No,
He's on
he's
mine.
homeschooling.
Oh, I thought he's on mine.
He's. I'm being painting like being here.
My goldfish bag is will be
Big bird.
It's surprising that I was actually friends with
Bird.
Kanye. I am corpse.
If he's gonna run.
I was not ready for that. To be fair. Oh, what's it? What do you want to hear? McDonald's heart attack burger. So salty. It's a cholesterol problem. Hey, good night, girl. Good night, girl. I dare.
I'll see Jeanette. What I saw it. It's
freaking hilarious.
yeah, girl. I see Jeanette. Aha.
Okay, so waiting on Riley, I think.
Is this distracting him?
No.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
not. Okay, never mind. Oh, shit. I was not ready for that.
Yeah. I see.
Yeah. Hey, Mr. Dayton, did you paint the superheroes on your wall or did somebody else?
No, I didn't paint those. Those were in here before I got here.
Oh. How could you know? Whose classroom did this used to be?
Mr. Wilson.
Mr. Oh, I remember him. Oh, yeah, Mr.
Like,
Wilson.
well,
We had him as a sub a couple times.
By the way, Mr. Day.
Wait, no, I'm thinking of. No, I'm thinking of Mr. Welsh. Never mind. I don't know Mr. Wilson. I had Mr. Welsh for like math, but he taught us about like pandas. My goal was like when he threw it to me, I was like, ugh. So basketball it. Oh, Nina, music on Rosie, and I squash banana. Hi. I hope you know I'm not that tall. I'm so used to.
Okay. So here we go. You guys need to have a seat. The ball can go away for now. All right. Thank you for submitting that. Hopefully it went well for you. As always, retakes are an option. If you didn't think you did as well as you needed to do, that can go away, please. Thanks. All right. So the next thing that we're going to do, and it is going to be due Friday, you will have tomorrow to work on it along with a textbook assignment. You will have Thursday to work on it in class. All right. So you're getting the rest of today. You're getting Wednesday and you're getting Thursday to work on it in class. You probably will need to work on it outside of class as well. Okay? What I want you to do right now, online students, is go into the week 26, March 1 through March 5 folder, then go into the Tuesday folder. Scroll down to, actually it's right here, it is the Wolf River Mussel Lab Report, okay? Here it will prompt you to make a copy of your own lab report. Don't do it yet because we need to go through the directions and you guys need to be following along because you're going to be doing the same thing. You will have to fill out this lab report online, typing it, okay? So at some point you're going to need your Chromebook. So it says, please fill out and use the data sheet to write up a lab report, okay? The data set shows endangered and threatened and normal populations of different species of mussels within the Wolf River system in Wisconsin. Use this data to think about and write a lab report answering a problem that you have from this set of data. So you need to come up with a problem. A problem is always in the form of what? Somebody online. The problem of your experiment is always in the form of what? Let's see.
I know it.
I know you know it. Carissa, your problem should always be in the, oh, what's that?
A question?
Yep, always in the form of a question. So you need to come up with a question that can be answered by conducting the investigation. So this is some deeper thinking. All right, that's part of target 1 right here. Ask questions and define problems. Target 5 is also making an appearance. You must use mathematics and computational thinking. You're going to have to do some adding. You're going to have to find percentages. All right, very easy, right? Adding and add things all up, divide by 100. You will be able to get that. And then, of course, obtaining, evaluate, and communicate information. Down here, you will need to open this PDF. It says download right here, the freshwater mussel field sample. Field sample, okay? And you're going to get something. I want this to go away. How does that go away? I want to zoom in. No, I don't want to zoom in. There we go. Now I want to zoom in. Okay, you're going to get something that looks like this. I'm going to zoom into 100%. Okay, here this is. Over on the left, you have the species. All right. So here are some cool names of mussel species. Yes, they're kind of goofy. Some of them. Like the Wabash pigtail, the pimpleback, the fluted shell, the giant floater, buckhorn thistlegrip. There you go. We got the muckets, the fat mucket, fragile. Like all these are pretty funny names. Yeah.
What about the creeper?
I think the buckhorn one's actually.
Where's the creeper?
Thank you.
At the river town.
Creeper / squawfoot.
I
All
like
right.
the-
Now,
I like creeper.
then you have to go through the columns one by one. We have in the first column the total number that was captured. The total number that was captured. All right. You move one column over. The number of males that were captured of this species. So let's start with the snuff box. It's the first one. 5 total were captured. 3 male were captured. That would mean how many were female? 2, okay? But that's not always the case because some of them, the sex is unknown. Okay, so that's the 4th column. It says UNK period sex. That'd be unknown sex. We didn't know if it was male or female when we discovered it. All right, and then you have over here the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns have to deal with the age of the mussel that was found. So this says number in each age class. In the snuff box case, there were 0 found that were 1 to 3 years old. There were 0 found that were 4 to 6 years old. There were only 2 found that were 7 to 9 years old. There were 2 found that were 10 to 15 years old. And there was 1 found that was 16 to 20 years old. Okay, between, they don't know the exact age. Well, they did know the exact age, but it fits in that range, excuse me. There were none that were 21 plus years old. So, yes.
That means none of them can drink alcohol.
Yeah, good point. So that's just an example. I took you through the snuff box. You can take a look and peruse at these other ones. Now, once you scroll down, online students, you see totals by column. Okay, totals by column. You're going to need to go through and add all of these up in the column. Write the number there, okay, for each column. Some of them will be easier than others because there will be, you know, less numbers to add. And I will do the first one with you. Okay? Everybody with me here?
Sure.
We're going through the first column, the total captured. We want to find the total number of mussels that were captured in this investigation. All right, we can do it in our head too. So is everybody with me? I hope so. All right, I'm in the first column right here. Ready? We're starting with 5 snuff box, 0 creeper / squawfoot. So 5 plus 0 is 5. How about 5 plus 37? 42. Good. 42 plus 26. 68. Good. 68 plus 14.
14?
Yep.
Didn't we just add 26?
We just added 26.
Oh, what was the number?
68 plus 14.
82.
82. Plus 7 is 89. Plus 11 is 100. So at the black sand shell, we have exactly 100. I'm just putting my 100 marker in case we lose our spot. At the black sand shell, we have exactly 100. 100 plus 21 is 121. 121 plus 18 is 139. Here we go. Uh-oh. 139 plus 55.
93.
Close.
93.
Close.
So it's
9 plus 5 ends in a 4, right? Yeah. So 139 plus 55 should be 194. Yep, good. Plus 9.
Is 207.
No.
203.
203. Yes, sir. Then we're at the pimple back. 203 plus 15.
222.
Uh-uh.
So what?
203 plus 15.
218.
218. Good. Plus 6. 224. Good. Plus 34. 58. 258. 4 plus 4 is 8, right?
Oh,
24 plus 34 is 58. So we're at 258. Plus 28, excuse me. So 58 plus 28, 58 plus 30 would be 88. subtract 2,
96.
86. Right?
Plus 8 is 16.
58,
Plus
28,
86.
86, right?
Let me just open a calculator.
Yeah. 58 plus 28 is 86. We're at 286. Plus 5 is 291. Plus 10, 301. So that's a good spot. Let's say 301 at the pink heel splitter. All right. 301 plus 7 is 308. 308 plus 4 is 312. 312 plus 7 is 319. 319 plus 8 is 327. That's the cylindrical paper shell. 327 plus 8 is 335. Plus 6, 341. Plus 4, 345. Plus 26. Uh-oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6,
61.
71. 371 plus 3, 374, and then the Lilliput is 375. So there are 375 total. Everybody write that down. Did you write that down, Zach? That would be 100%, right? Okay, then as we go on, you're going to need to add up all the columns of the rest of them. If you want to use a calculator, absolutely do so.
Okay.
I think I need,
Come on, let me use my big brain.
to be honest, I think I need to.
That's fine. Absolutely.
Okay.
I just wanted to go through that to show that you can do mental math. You don't have to use a calculator. It is. Oh, it is hard. It's hard, no doubt. Okay, so then the rest of them, the percentage, right? You're going to have to take, so whatever I find, I'm going to have to take that percentage divided, or sorry, that number divided by 375, and that gives me my percentage, right? That's how we find percentage. So let's see, let's go with a, never mind.
This equation is about to be very long. Oh,
All right. And actually, you guys are good to go. And online students, you are good to go. Thank you.
Do